Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Hey guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Today we're going to talk about how to use a while loop in Python. So what does while loop mean? While loop means that we're going to repeatedly do something a certain number of times that we're not sure about yet. Okay, so in a for loop, if you guys remember, you already knew how many times you want to do something. So for example, you want to do something 10 times or you want to do something 20 times. You just put the code inside a for loop and it'll do it that many times for you. But while loop, we're not sure how many times we want to do it. So this is a perfect example with Greedy Pig. So I'm going to show you. So the Greedy Pig game is basically, let's write out a comment so you know what I'm doing. So this is a comment. It's not going to be executed in Python. So I'm going to say, keep generating random numbers until a 2 is rolled. Okay, keep generating random numbers until a 2 is rolled. So what does that mean? That means that I'm going to keep generating this. X equals random int 1 to 6. I'm going to keep doing this until a 2 comes up. So I'm going to say while x does not equal to 2. I'm going to keep doing this. While x does not equal 2, I'm going to keep doing this. And I'm going to print it. Okay, so what it means is, I roll the die. Okay, because a dice is between 1 to 6. So I roll the dice. If it gives me a number that is not 2, it'll keep doing this until a 2 comes up. So let's see if this works. So I roll the first number that comes from here and it's printed it. Because it's not a 2, it keeps going until a 2 is rolled. Then it comes out. Okay, so I'm going to now start typing out or printing out some text to show what this game does. So I'm going to say print onto the screen. Welcome to the Greedy Pig game. You will keep rolling the dice until a 2 is rolled. Okay, and that's basically printing that out. Okay, so if I run this, you will keep rolling the dice until a 2 is rolled. So you go 5 1 3 2, 5 1 1 3 4 2. Okay, and so to make this a bit more game-like, okay, I'm gonna say total score. So total score is originally 0. So I'm going to say total equals 0. Oops, keep thinking it's JavaScript. Keep wanting to put the semicolon in. So total equals 0. And then every time I roll something, I'm going to say total equals total plus X. And I'm going to do that here as well. Okay, and then I'm going to print total at the end. So let's see if this works. Okay, let's try this. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 16, 20, 23, 25. Yes, the total was 25. So I'm going to say you achieved a total score of string total. Okay, so that should print us out the final score. You achieved a total score of 58. Put a little space there. Run that. You achieved a total score of 42. All right. Let's run that. You achieved a total score of 15. Full size 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus... Yes. Okay, so that's the Greedy Pig game. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.
Eddie the
watching, guys. See you next time.